So here we have the first maiden flight of the glider stick plane. Yes. And now I will attempt not to destroy this one as I try to fly it as best as I can. So let's give it a chug. Actually, this might be better. Uh-huh. Okay, so here we go. Let's go! Oh! Oh my god, this is so good. Baš i ne. Ne se. Oh. It's ground surfing. It's ground surfing. Yes, surf that ground. Pazite, dečke. Yes. Keep surfing. Oh. Keep surfing. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Da-da-na-na. And take off. And it's just amazing. Ne, 800 metara ti je užasno daleko. Ali gledaj kak dobro leti. Oh, no, the sun. Kevin, it's on throttle. And it climbs like crazy. Oh my god, there's so many mosquitoes here. Okay, so we're gonna go to about 80% throttle. And we're going to attempt to climb. Oh wow. It's a little tail here. Eh? Dosta brzo se napravi. Jako brzo. Oh shit, skoro si ga pogledal.
Prešlo je pokraj tebe.
Pazi, ide na startavanje, makni se. Oh.